Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how to make this. Using these items here that I have from the Dollar Tree and more. So you know what time it is. It's time to grab some tea/coffee. Yeah, and maybe a nice little muffin to go with that. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we have these little Halloween signs or plaques from the Dollar Tree, and this little ribbon here, I'm just gonna pull it off because we don't need that. And then we are gonna take our 3 little plaques here and we're gonna glue them together. And they come with the hooks on them already, which is good. So I'm gonna have 2 of the hooks facing the same directions, as you could see here, and I'm just going to use some E6000 and some little hot glue too and glue them together. Okay, great. Now they're all glued together. Okay, now I have these mirrored sheets that I got from Amazon. And we're just going to lay them down onto the top here. And they do have like a little plastic thing over them to protect the mirror. So I'm removing the back and then using some E6000 to help glue them down. When you're using these mirrored sheets that I got from Amazon, do not use the hot glue on them. It will just burn them and you'll see the little lump coming out of your mirrored sheets. I've learned that the hard way. It happened to me in one of my other DIYs. You might have seen that when I did my coasters. So don't use a hot glue on these mirrored sheets. Any other adhesive that you'd like to use would be fine, but no hot glue. Alright everyone, now our mirrored sheets are down, so now we are going to bling out the side, and I'll be using some of our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and I'll be using some hot glue to glue it right down around all the sides of our decor. I'd like to say hello if you're new here. If this is your first time, my name is Petalisbless. And I come on and I do DIYs, as you can see, to show you how to do glam decor for your home on a budget. Yes! Taking cheap items, turning them into lovely things that you wouldn't know you paid such a low price to make. Yeah. So if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And now we are all done with glamming out all the sides. Doesn't that look nice? So now we are going to take an X-Acto knife and remove the plastic that I told you were covering the mirrors. And I'd also like to say to my oldies and my goodies, I didn't forget you. I appreciate you guys so much. Welcome back. So we are just going to remove all the plastic from the mirrors. I love these sheets. They're very nice. And like I said, you can get them on Amazon. So now I'm going to take some of the 5x5 mirrored tiles that we can get on Amazon and put them going around our decor. And now we have my favorite gem from Totally Dazzled. You know I love these gems. And I have these little dangly things here from Amazon. Oh gosh, the pendants. I got them from Amazon. I'm going to take them, open the loop that they come with, and then just add them to my bling gem from Totally Dazzled. It goes on very easy. And this is how it looks. Don't they look lovely together? Absolutely beautiful. So now I have one of the mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree, which I believe they are 5x5 too. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna glue the new design, the new gem that I put together. I'm gonna glue it right onto the mirror. Doesn't that look nice? So now we're gonna take our decor and we are going to glue the mirror onto our decor using some E6000 and some hot glue. We're gonna glue the mirrors down to our base part of our wall decor. And now I'm going to add some more of my gems, my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled. I'll be adding some more to our decor. And I have a link down below in my description box where you can press on the link, go over to Totally Dazzled and see all the beautiful gems that they have over there that you could use for your home decor, wedding decor, any little thing that you'd like to add these gems to, just like me. The link is down below in my description box. And here is our finished look. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys can see that nice. The thing with when you're doing mirror decors, it reflects everything that is around you. The light, everything, because it's mirrors. And mirrors show everything that is around it. But I do love how it turns out. I think it looked absolutely beautiful. With all the gems from Totally Dazzled. Oh, my favorite gems. And the little pendants hanging down. Absolutely beautiful. A glam piece of mirrored wall decor. For your home. And the decor has the hooks on the back, so I don't need any command strips, but you can use them if you choose to. So here's how I hung it up on the wall. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks very nice hung up on the wall. I really like how it turned out. It looks glam and nice. And now I'm thinking of making another one. I only made one, but I'm thinking of making another one because I absolutely love how it looks. It's a glam piece of decor that you can hang anywhere throughout your home, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's glam mirrored wall decor. I love it. My favorite part is when I put the two gems together, the one from Totally Dazzled and the crystal pendants from Amazon. I think the two of them together looks so beautiful. But like I said, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's mirrored glam decor. And if you're new here, like I said, I hope you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And once again, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's wall decor. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. I need, oh, need you. Girl, I need you.